Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a personal translator using Google Sheets. So first, let me name this English column, then Spanish, then Chinese, and then French. Now I'm going to write some words here. For example, hello, then how are you, buddy? What time is it? Where are you going now? Okay, now I'm going to write some code here. It's very simple. If you are a Google spreadsheet user, then you may be familiar with this system. So let's click here and equal, type Google, and you will see this Google Translate function. Click on this and select your column, then comma, then put double quotation, and then use the language code. I am translating this English column into Spanish. So English code is en, then comma, again double quotation, then es. Now close your brackets and hit enter. Now you can see in English it's hello and in Spanish it's hola. Now if I click this and drag from this area, this all will be translated automatically. Now you can see how are you, buddy, in Spanish, ¿cómo estás, amigo? And I'm not a Spanish guy, so maybe I missed the spelling, so never mind. Now let's do the same thing for Chinese. Equal Google Translate, then select your column, then comma, double quotation, en to Chinese language Chinese JETES, and bracket close, then hit enter. And you can see it's Chinese, and I don't know what is this, but it's Chinese. Then again drag and everything will be translated. And do the same thing for French. Equal Google Translate, then A2. You can target your column by typing A2 or A3 or A4 as you need, then comma, double quotation, en to JETES, effort, and then bracket close. Bonjour. In English it's hello and in French it's bonjour. Maybe you know this. And drag this and it will be awesome. Maybe you are not familiar with all language codes. That's why I have linked a URL below this description where you will see all language codes as you need. Just search your country name or language and you will get the language code. These all codes work perfectly on Google Spreadsheet. So I hope you understand how you can create a personal translator using Google Spreadsheet. Let me know if you face any problem while doing this. I will try my best to assist you. Have a good day.